Hello everyone. Today I'd like us to explore a scene in which the physical action is you receiving and reading a letter. I tried to call you yesterday, but you didn't answer your phone. I'll meet you tomorrow under the clock at 3 p.m. Now I would like you to practice the scene. I have written on screen for you what the letter says. I tried to call you yesterday, but you didn't answer the phone. I'll meet you under the clock at 3 p.m. tomorrow.
Don't forget to follow all the steps of your physical action.
Sit down with the letter, look over it, open it up, read the letter, think about the letter, and fold it up. Good luck! Press pause on the video and practice your physical action. This time I'm going to do my scene again, but I'm going to add an emotion and a given circumstance. The given circumstance is that this letter is from a very close friend, and I'm very happy that I'm going to go and meet them. I tried to call you yesterday, but you didn't answer your phone. I will meet you under the clock at 3 p.m. tomorrow. Now, I would like you to practice your scene with the emotion of being happy and the given circumstance of the letter being from a very good friend.
Don't forget to follow all the steps of your physical action.
Press pause on the video and practice your physical action. Okay, now I'd like you to practice the scene again. This time we are going to keep the given circumstance of the letter being from a good friend, but we are going to change the emotion. Instead of being happy, this time I'd like you to practice being worried. This letter is from a close friend. You are worried because they don't normally send you letters. Good luck.
Don't forget to follow all the steps of your physical action.
Press pause on the video and practice your physical action. Okay, good. Think about how that changed the scene. Okay, this time let's practice our physical action again, but let's change the given circumstance. Now you have received a letter from someone you don't know, and the emotion is that you are nervous.
Don't forget to follow all the steps of your physical action.
Press pause on the video and practice your physical action. Good. Think about how that given circumstance and the emotion changed the scene. Okay, let's change the given circumstance again. This time, the letter is from an enemy, and the emotion is that you are scared. Think about how that might change the way you read the letter. Remember to follow all the steps of your physical action. Good luck. Press pause on the video and practice your physical action. Good. So we've explored physical action, given circumstance, and emotion. Think about how those might help you in your scene work. Remember, physical action is something the character is actually doing in the scene. Given circumstance is what is going on for the character. What's the background to the story? And finally, I'd like you to change the given circumstance and the emotion. Choose something yourself. Make it up. Explore. See how that changes your physical action. Decide on a given circumstance. Decide on an emotion. Pause the video and practice your scene. Press pause on the video and practice your physical action. Until next time, goodbye everyone, stay safe and good luck.